Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have a Festool dust collection system, you're gonna want this standard cleaning kit.
This cleaning set is an essential accessory. It turns your dust extractor into a multi-use vacuuming tool. So the kit comes in a sustainer, which is perfect for stacking on the machine, and it keeps everything all together and organized. It comes with a floor cleaning head, a brush, and a crevice tool with a 3-part extendable pole, so you can customize this and use it for a variety of applications. It's really easy to pop these pieces together, and the floor vacuuming head works really well and can even get under small spaces, no problem. It's comfortable to use and it's really ergonomic, and the fact that it has the large extension pole just makes it easy to use this basically as a regular floor vacuum and cover a large area of messes. The crevice tool, of course, is also really easy to install, and it's super helpful in getting into little tight corners, all the little spaces, and it really does a great job of taking care of messes no matter where you use this. It's able to get in there and do a great job. The brush tool has been super handy for picking up any leftover dust after sanding and just running it over the surfaces. It really does an awesome job.
So this is a super complete cleaning kit that works incredibly well, and I think that you're gonna love it too. And that's my point of view.